Hi, in this lesson we learn about the properties of circles. The first property states that equal chords are equidistant from the center. These two lines are chords of the circle. If they are equal in length, then their distance from the center will also be equal. By distance we mean the perpendicular distance from the center to the chord. This line, the perpendicular distance, also divide the chord into half, so that this side of the chord is equal to this side. Which brings us to the second property. The perpendicular bisector of a chord passes through the center. So, if this line is perpendicular to the chord and it bisects the chord, it must pass through the center of the circle. The third property is the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. This is a circle and this is a diameter. This means that this is a semicircle here and also a semicircle on this side. The angle that is opposite the diameter is a right angle. We can write this in short form as right angle in a semicircle. Often in exam you are required to give the reason. So you can write it in this abbreviated form as shown here. Property number 4, the angle between a tangent and the radius of a circle is a right angle. Or can be written in this abbreviated form here, tangent perpendicular to the radius. Now what is the tangent? A tangent is a line that touches the circle at only one point. This point is called the point of contact. If at the point of contact a line is drawn to the center of the circle, then this line is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Now for property number 5, tangent from an external point are equal. These two lines are tangent from this external point A here. They are tangents to this circle. So the two lines, according to this property number 5, they are equal in length. AB is equal to AC. The next property, number 6, states that the line joining an external point to the center of the circle bisects the angle between the tangents. This is the angle between the tangent, angle BAC. The line here, AO, from the external point to the center of the circle bisects this angle BAC. So the angle here and the angle here are equal to each other. Similarly, the angle at the center here, Y, is also equal to the angle Y here. Now for the 7th property, angles in the same segment are equal. If you have to draw a line here, then we have a segment here. So these two angles, angle A and angle B, according to this property, are equal in size. Angle A is equal to angle B. Similarly, angle C is equal to angle D. The reason is they are angles in the same segment. Next, we will look at two very important properties of the circle. Number 8 states, angles in opposite segments are supplementary. Supplementary means when the two angles are added together, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. In short form or abbreviated form, it can be written in this way. Angles in opposite segment are supplementary. Now, what does it mean, opposite segment? If we draw a line here, we have two segments in this circle. In this segment, the angle is P, and in the segment over here, the angle is Q. P at Q added together will give you 180 degrees. Similarly, R and S added together also will give you 180 degrees. Note that the vertices of the quadrilateral, that means the 4 points here, must lie on the circle. Next, we will look at property number 9. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. What this means is the angle here, angle AOC, is twice the angle ABC. B lies on the circle or the circumference. So the angle here is twice the angle here. That's why it's represented as 2x, and the angle at the circumference is represented as x. The type of questions you may encounter in your exam can take many different forms, as shown in the 4 diagrams here. In each of these cases, we can apply this property. Angle at center is twice angle at the circumference. Now, if we look at a line AB, if this point B is to move here, such that the line AB overlaps the radius OA, as shown in the second diagram, the angle at the center is still twice the angle B here. Now, if the line AB is to move further down until it is at a point here, the angle at the center here is still twice the angle B here. So you must be able to recognize when presented with these 3 types of diagrams that you need to apply this property. Now, if the point A and C are to move further up on the circle, then the line AB and BC will be as shown in this final diagram. AB is here now, and BC is here. Now the angle B has now grown bigger. Notice also that the angle AOC has also grown bigger. It is now more than 180 degrees. In other words, it is now a reflex angle. But the angle here is still twice the angle on the circumference, the angle B. Note that it is this angle that is twice the angle on the circumference, not the angle on this side, which is a common mistake made by students. In future videos, I will show examples where you can apply all these 9 properties of the circle.